Welcome to valsquicktips and tricks कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. भरपूर पावस पडटा हिंगासर आजुनी फेस्टिवल सीजन. तर हांव म्हापसा गेल्ली आनी म्हापसा सोटया म्हाका मेवल्यो लेपो आनी ह्यो आमच्यो फर्स्ट लेपो ह्या सिजनाक. तर हांवें चिंतलें कितें तुमकां दाखोवपाक हेजें. तर पयलीं हांव तुमकां सुटी करूंक दाखयता. So today I had gone to Mapsa market, that is a Friday market, and I got this SoleFish, Lepo in Konkani and Sole in English. So I will show you how to clean, and it's like fresh, muddy. First we have to wash this nicely. So I will wash this now. So here it is. So now this was the first to come for this season, so it was very expensive. 600 rupees kg they were asking for. Otherwise it is very cheap in Goa, and I got it like for quarter kg, this is 200 I paid. So and I don't like the bigger sole fish. You get bigger size also. For me it is tasteless. I don't like that. I like either more smaller than this or this size. That's it. This is the size what I love from my childhood. In market you get the bigger versions also, but no, I don't prefer that. So let's clean this now. And to clean this, see, the smaller size is like this you get, which is also tasty, and then it is like little bit medium, and then this, and you get a big one, mama sole. So to clean, you have to catch this gland and you pull like this, and then take this in a pinch and just pull this. Okay, same way with the other side. So only cleaning part is remove the skin, and then you have to only chop the head. Okay, so same way we have to do for the other ones. And what I was saying, some like to keep this, but some don't like to keep, then just chop it. That's it. Ready to make whatever you want to make, curry, fry, rava fry, whatever. And if some doesn't like this sides, then also you can just cut it with a scissor or like this. But when you fry this, it is crispy and tasty. So this is how it is cleaned. One more I'll show you. Have you ever tried SoleFish? This is my childhood, one of the favorite. Actually, I am fish lover. I love fish, and whether it is with thorns, without thorns, I just love it. And I have grown in Goa since my childhood with my grandparents and my parents, and our neighbors were all like, the village where I grew is Kalangat, Paga side. Beach was just 2 minutes away. So for me, like the neighbors, there was like upper village and we were in the down village. Upper village were all fisher man people, families staying, And then we used to go every morning with our siblings when we were big, just to touch the boat, and we used to get free fish. Yes. And the neighbors, whenever they get extra fish, they used to just give us whatever. Like, I think so we never spend money much on fish those days, what we are spending now. But still Goa is not that expensive than the other places, for fish at least. So this is my story I told you. Every person will have different stories. Okay, so this is how what you have. Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. तर तुमी आतां पयला लेपो कयो सुटी केल्या पळय त्यो, आनी लेपांचो सीजन इन गोवा, and it's only now 200 rupees kg. We are getting it. Maybe in coming days it will be 100 rupees kg. So let's fry this today, a plain fry. Okay, so salt to taste, very little salt it requires, and few masalas. No lime, no vinegar, nothing, and just a plain fry. So we'll add some chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Then we'll add our coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder is 1/2 teaspoon, and Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon. So this is all what is going to go for our fish. We'll marinate this nicely and fry. तर आता हिंगा गोंया आमच्या लेपांचो सीजन आसा आनी ते भरपूर पडटा आतां आमकां, and we are getting it very cheap. So it's come to 200 now, but I'm sure it will come for 100 rupees kg also. So let's fry this after few minutes. Now let's fry this, and we'll have it hot today for our lunch. So without rava. Okay, the oil has to be hot. Today my daughter also helped me to clean the SoleFish. So Lepo is also known as SoleFish. And it is again delicacy of our Goan cuisine. Like if you go for thali and all, you will get this special fish dish. So now we will flip up one side, and again we will flip up, like how you want, crispy, semi-crispy, this Lepo fry. It's all up to you, each person. We prefer it crispy. So hope you all will make this Lepo fry easy, quick marination, not much, quick. Hot, fry it. Cleaning procedure also I have shown you. And make it in your kitchen and enjoy. And it's done. And we will remove this. And serve it hot with fish curry rice. So however you want to eat. Okay, thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातले. लेपो फ्राय विदाउट रवा.
And here it is, Lepo fry without rava. Crispy, yummy, tasty. Enjoy. Here we are, SoleFish Lepo fry without rava. Yummy and tasty. Enjoy.